Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. I have been so pleased with using this B&U moisturizing face cream. I finally found a face cream that I truly enjoy implementing in my morning and night routine. I love that B&U have combined bee venom and royal jelly and Anatolian propolis extract in this wonderful cream. I personally don't like overwhelming smells on my face, and to me, this face cream smells light and subtle, like a spring day. It's not thick and readily absorbs into my skin. And I was excited to see that within a few weeks of use, my crow's feet seem to have reduced. I appreciate that I don't need very much to apply to my whole face. It spreads out wonderfully. I've noticed my problem areas of dry skin around my nose doesn't peel and it looks so much more moist. I try to use it twice a day as recommended, and I feel that at 56, I've finally found a face cream that I can call my own. I've always been self-conscious about my eye areas because of scars, and this cream has given me confidence in my skin again. I enjoy using B&U and think it will be a wonderful gift for a friend or a loved one. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.